Hi there, my name is Aaron Gilmartin, and I'm a guide with California State Parks. For all of human history, people have sought ways to be entertained. And in our modern world, we have easy access to a wide variety of entertainment. But in early 19th century California, options were much more limited, and often people had to improvise their ways to be entertained. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy method to make a simple toy using only 2 household items: a button and some string. And if you're going to follow along, you're going to want to use a button that has 2 holes as opposed to 4, and you'll want your piece of string to be about 1.5 feet in length. First, we're going to feed one end of our string through one of the holes in the button. We can pull it through about halfway. And then we're going to feed that end back through the other hole. And we want the ends of our string to be the same length. So we want to match these up and have our button at the other end. So now what we need to do is, with these 2 loose ends, we need to tie a knot. And the easiest way to do that is to just wrap around your finger and then pull the 2 ends through. Like that. So now our button is not going to fall off our string. And what we can do is we can grab the loop at one end and grab the knot at the other, and then we want to position our button in the middle of our piece of string. So we've got a firm grip on both ends. We're going to wind the string. And after we've wound it, we're going to pull. And so by slowly moving your fingers in and out, the button is spinning, which winds and unwinds the string over and over and over. And you can see it's almost like a yo-yo. And once you find a rhythm, you can keep the momentum going. Oh, it's a little harder up and down. But if you can keep it going, theoretically it won't stop. And so this button toy is one example of a simple early 19th century form of entertainment. Thank you for watching.